The Health and Longevity Center. Who are we? We were established in January of 2000. We are an integrative and holistic health center devoted to helping people live longer, healthier lives. We offer individualized, synergistic programs using high-impact, science-based therapies and treatments that deliver results. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is a medical treatment that uses pure oxygen to speed and enhance the body's natural ability to heal. It is an American Medical Association, FDA, and Medicare-approved treatment, and has become a reliable treatment for physical injuries and other medical conditions. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy has been successful in treating cluster and migraine headaches, diabetic wounds of the legs, radiation injuries, neurological injuries, and post-cosmetic surgery recovery. This video discusses how oxygen therapy has alleviated cluster headache pain.
Watch.
Cluster headaches usually come on quickly and then come back again and again for days.
And sufferers say the pain is so intense it's almost unbearable. Health Watch reporter Beth Galvin is here now with more. Beth?
And Wes and Lisa, these kind of headaches get their name because they tend to strike in clusters. And during these cycles, called cluster periods, the headaches can hit every day, sometimes several times a day. There is no cure, but there are some treatments that can help offer some relief.
It really feels like someone's stabbing a hot poker through your eye, and, I tell people like an elephant standing on your temple as well.
For 31-year-old Justin Ott, describing what it's like to suffer from cluster headaches is enough to make him cringe.
I will get them every single day, multiple times a day, if I don't take medication. Fortunately, I take medication that sets them back a bit, so I only get groups of clusters throughout the year.
These attacks happen in a cluster and may last from weeks to months. Patterns of clusters vary from person to person, but most people have at least 1 or 2 cluster periods a year.
Hi, Justin. How are you?
Hi, how you doing?
Nice to see you. Cluster headaches are the most debilitating of the disorders. It's also dubbed the suicide headache because of its severity.
The exact cause of cluster headaches is unknown, and there is not currently a cure. Doctors like Susan Broner of the Headache Institute at Roosevelt Hospital prescribe medications to help decrease the severity of the pain and shorten the headache cycle.
Unfortunately, the medications don't stop it 100%, but they help me live my life.
Fortunately for Justin and other cluster headache patients, oxygen therapy is an alternative that is successful and has no side effects. And in a recently published study in the Journal of the American Medical Association, researchers found that this treatment is actually more favorable than once thought.
Results were that 78% of people with cluster headache flow air, in which only 20% of people responded. So there was a marked difference between the placebo and the treatment of high-flow oxygen.
Dr. Broner hopes to see more studies done to show just how this therapy works. But in the meantime, she's happy to see some of her patients pain-free.
I found oxygen to be the best abortive for me. When I'm home, I can take the oxygen, watch TV, just sitting there, and it's safe, and there's no side effects.
And in rare cases, surgery is recommended for cluster headache sufferers who just do not respond to treatments like oxygen therapy or medication. If you're having headaches that disrupt your daily life, you may want to see your doctor so that the two of you, Russ and Lisa, can kind of get to the bottom of what's causing these headaches, what they are, and how best to treat your headaches.
Yeah, it can give you your life back.
Yes, because these people really do suffer a lot. Beth Galvin, thanks.
Thanks, Beth.
Oxygen reaches bone and tissue, which are inaccessible to red blood cells. White blood cells are enhanced. Capillary and blood vessel performance is increased, and the healing function is increased. Schedule an appointment now. Call 770-232-7883. We are open Monday through Saturday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Also, visit our website at www.healthandlongevity.org.